and his family. They consumed, in a matter of 4 weeks, they consumed 6 bottles. Why don't you try a piece?
Oh, can I have water?
Yes. There was a point before I started selling them that I was making 100 bottles a week.
India is known for spicy food, but hot sauces were never popular in India. I mean, don't get me wrong, there are a lot of hot sauces, but mostly they are not Indian flavored or they concentrate on heat more than flavors. Now, one man in his quest to find the perfect hot sauce ended up making an original one for himself. And today we have a chance to make our own bottle of hot sauce with the man behind Oh Daddy Hot Sauce, Krish. Let's go. Hi Krish.
Hi Shashank. Welcome to my home. Welcome to my kitchen.
Thank you.
Today, are you excited to make some more daddy sauce?
Oh, of course, I am. So, what's the process?
So now I have all the ingredients ready. Now I'm going to start measuring them out, and then we're going to finally boil them in vinegar. This is the bird's eye peppers. So normally they're called Thai chilies, but these ones are from Kerala because we want to make everything all Indian. The second one is our jalwa peppers. Now these are from Gujarat. Everyone knows them as green chilies.
So, between these two, which one is the spiciest? Obviously, I'm guessing the red one, right?
The red one. If you try this one, why don't you try a piece?
Okay.
And you'll know exactly why we try to balance it out.
Oh, can I have water?
Yes. Yeah. So then we have garlic, we have our onions, and we have our bell peppers.
Okay.
And finally, we come to the softer ingredients. We have our brown sugar, our salt, and we have our vinegar. So what we'll start off with are the sugar and the salt. Yeah. Let's dump all that in. Let's get our vinegar in there.
So vinegar is supposed to be the preservative, right?
Vinegar is a preservative, and it also it also adds a little bit of sourness, which kind of counteracts a little bit of the hotness.
Yeah.
And what it does with the taste as well, it adds like a lime kind of flavor kind of taste. And what it does is it also gives you a delayed kick on the heat, so you can enjoy it a little bit more before you finally get the pleasure of the cook. Now we're going to just switch on the heat. Now what we're going to do is we're going to wait for a little bit of steam to develop here, and as soon as we see a little bit of steam, that's when the rest of the ingredients get popped in. So basically, during lockdown, I've always had a passion for cooking, and I was cooking a lot for myself, for my family, and what I really wanted was something, like I said earlier, to add spice to my food, which other people in the house don't normally like. So at first I was trying, generally getting out there and buying what is available in the market. And after a while I was like, it just started tasting so artificial. So my whole thing was for myself and for a few of my friends who love the hot food, I said, let me make something just for ourselves. And they loved it, I loved it. People started asking me for it from my friends' friends, and it kept going there, and after a point I was like, okay, no more free stuff. I need to start commercializing it if I'm going to continue making it. There was a point before I started selling them that I was making 100 bottles a week.
Really?
Just to give it away.
Oh my god, that's a lot of work.
That's a lot of work.
Yeah.
That's when I was like, okay, now let's
You need to
stop
start this.
So now that we can see a little bit of steam rising, now I'm going to just measure it. I'm going to check out what temperature it is, and if it's perfect, if it's at the temperature we want, we start putting in all the other ingredients.
This one is garlic and onion, right?
This is the original onion and garlic flavor.
The original is.
So now we're just going to wait for it to boil up and to heat up. So basically what we want is the peppers and the different flavors to start extracting their flavors into the vinegar and the mix to happen. So as soon as the vinegar reaches a boiling point, that's when we switch it off.
Okay. And then we need to cool it down.
So normally in Bombay weather, it takes about an hour and a half to completely cool down to room temperature. So the whole idea was to create something which it complements basic food and basic ingredients that most people use. A hot sauce is not like a ketchup. It's, even though a lot of people believe that, it's misconception that they have. You can use them as a dipping sauce for your tikkas and your kebabs or your sandwiches.
It's more like a masala than a sauce, I would say.
Correct.
Like for Indians, like a reference.
Correct. Probably shouldn't be name dropping, but I was lucky that we are connected to Akshay Kumar and his family. And I think they consumed, in a matter of 4 weeks, they consumed 6 bottles. And I was like, okay, guys, like, there's a limit to how much heat that you should have. And I don't use artificial ingredients. So a very common ingredients are binders to make sure that your sauces don't split. I didn't want to add those binders just for the sake of, not for visual. I think people are happy enough just to shake the bottle and remix it to pour it over the food.
Yeah.
So that's why my home product and a lot of other home products come from that zone. That let's make it good quality and let's make it natural. So now that we've finally let the sauce cool and the ingredients cool, now is the part to finally blend it all together. So this time, why don't you take it over?
Yeah, that'll be fun for sure.
So first get in the hard
This fine,
ingredients and then you can take a spoon or two of the
Okay,
vinegar.
okay.
Now that this is done, you'll see now it's actually gotten hot again. As soon as I open it up, there'll be a little bit of steam should come out now.
Oh yes.
Now why don't you give this a good whirl?
Yeah.
Just mix it all in properly, top to bottom. Give it a nice long mix and ladle it a little bit so that you mix all the flavors in together. And now for the most important part is the taste test. You
Finally.
need to know how good it is. If is it good enough to bottle or
Okay.
do we toss it out?
This should be good. Ooh, the onion and the garlic, right?
Yeah, do you taste it?
Yeah. It's the, as you said, it's the perfect amount of spice
Yeah,
and flavor. The spice is not dominating the flavor,
correct.
which is great.
And now we're going to move on to the bottling. So now we have a few bottles here, sanitized and kept for us. So as you're taking the first bottle away with you, why don't you fill your bottle up?
And finally, guys, Oh Daddy hot sauce is in my hand now. This is the batch that I made. I would like to, assume that I made it. I mean, you made it, but I would like to assume I did. And yeah, this was a new, unique, and a fun experience. I really loved it. I really appreciate you letting me in and actually doing this.
So this was definitely a fun and unique experience for me as well. And I'm so happy that you guys like my hot sauce. Thank you so much for it.
So guys, if you like this video, do share and comment. And if you want to see such exciting food stories, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel.